Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to mask images in CapCut to create cool visual effects. Masking is a great way to add some creativity to your videos, so let's get started. The first step is to open your CapCut and create a new project. And you can always use an existing one. Next, you tap on Overlay to add the image you want to mask over it. This will place the image on top of your video. Next, you tap on the image layout in the timeline to select it. Then scroll through the bottom menu and choose Mask. This will bring out different masking shape and tools. The next step is to choose a mask shape. Select the mask shape that works best for your effect. You can choose from shapes like circle, rectangle, linear, or even heart. Once selected, adjust the shape by resizing, rotating, or moving it around until it fits your image just right. To make the mask blend smoothly, use the feather slider to soften the edges. This creates a seamless transition between the masked image and the background. You can also move the image layer along the timeline to select when it appears in the video. You can also resize and reposition the masked image to match your overall composition. And that's it guys. With these steps, you've created a masked image effect in CapCut to elevate your video. Thank you so much for watching and happy editing. Bye bye.